Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your week 2 screencast video. So after meeting everybody in the class and responding to their posts and looking at how we could reconsider the idea of a research paper, week number 2 in chapter 1 in A Curious Researcher is all about determining a research topic. Critical in the success of this course is to determine a clear path on a topic, what you're thinking as far as research, so you can complete the rest of the course's activities. Remember, this is only an 8-week course, so it will move quickly. So, in looking at this week's activity, discussion board 3 and 4 are due. Discussion board 3 are basically kind of like brainstorming sessions and thinking about a topic. Some of you have already mentioned some topics in your posts in discussion board number 1. However, you might want to read through the weekly module and some of the topics that are available out there. Also, you want to consider that discussion board, the portion of discussion board 3, exercise 1.4 might be in a bit of a way the same thing as the formal exercise 1.5, and I want to get there in discussion board 4. I want to get there and take a look at this in the discussion boards. Be very careful. I'm very meticulous in the instructions for discussion board number 4. Make sure you complete all the steps here. I really want to get a sense of your research topic. If you were going to explore or argue, I'm asking for 2 to 3 internet sources. I think it's important for everyone to do a good job on this and set the right direction in their particular post for discussion board 4, exercise 1.5, and you will need the book for that. So once again, even though there may be some similarities between 1.4 and 1.5, there are a few extra steps that are demanded in discussion board number 4. All right, that's about it for this week's screencast video. Remember, 2 important discussion boards this week. If you need me for any reason, you can reach me in email land. Good luck.